flowers bring life to winter quite like Amaryllis. Their large, trumpet-shaped blooms appear right when the garden is asleep, bursting with color in shades of red, white, and pink. They're elegant, festive, and easy to grow indoors. Whether you're growing them as holiday showpieces or hoping to get them to bloom year after year, Amaryllis are all about timing, light, and just a bit of care. Today we're going to go through everything you need to know from planting to watering to reblooming and long-term care so that you can enjoy them year after year. Start by choosing the right bulb. Look for Amaryllis bulbs that are large, firm, and heavy for their size. Soft or shriveled ones likely won't bloom well. Larger bulbs usually produce 2 or 3 flower stalks, so it makes them worth the investment. There are many varieties to choose from as well. For classic bold color, try Red Lion or Apple Blossom. If you prefer something more unique, Minerva has red and white stripes, while Nymph offers romantic soft pink double blooms. Choose a pot that is about 1 inch wider than the bulb on each side and at least 6 to 8 inches deep. Amaryllis like being snug, but they still need room for their root growth. Make sure your container has drainage holes. Good drainage is key to preventing rot. Fill the pot about halfway with high-quality, well-draining potting mix. A blend with peat moss, perlite, and compost is ideal. Set your bulb in so that the top third remains above the soil line. This helps prevent rot and lets the neck of the bulb breathe. Then, water lightly to settle the soil. If your bulb is dry-packed and dormant, you'll see growth in about 6 to 8 weeks. For holiday blooms, plant in early November for Christmas flowers or in December for January blooms. Check the blooming time of your variety just to be sure. You can also find wax bulbs like this, so they're completely maintenance-free, no soil or watering needed. They come pre-treated with all the nutrients the bulb needs to bloom. Just place them in a bright spot away from direct sunlight, and they'll send up flower stalks in a few weeks. Wax bulbs are perfect for gifts or adding instant color indoors during the holidays. And while a lot of people treat them as single-use, you can sometimes get them to bloom again. After flowering, gently peel off the wax and plant the bulb in soil. With regular watering and bright light, it may recover and grow new leaves, storing energy for another bloom the following year. It takes patience, but it's worth a try if you love seeing your Amaryllis come back to life. Let us know what your favorite variety of Amaryllis is to grow. We'd love to know. Amaryllis love warmth and bright light. Place your pot somewhere with plenty of indirect sunlight. Near a bright window is perfect. If your home doesn't get much sun in the winter, you can use a grow light placed about 12 inches above the plant. Keep the soil just barely moist until you see no growth. Once the stalk begins to appear, increase watering slightly, enough to keep the soil evenly moist but never soggy. If the pot stands in water, the bulb may rot. Rotate your pot every few days so that the stalk grows straight, since it naturally leans towards the light. You'll notice how fast it grows, sometimes even an inch a day. When the buds open, move the plant somewhere a bit cooler, around 15 degrees Celsius. Cooler temperatures helps the bloom last longer, up to 2 or even 3 weeks. When your Amaryllis finishes blooming, it's not done yet, it's just shifting into recovery mode. Cut off the faded flower stalk about an inch above the bulb, but keep the leaves. They're essential because they photosynthesize and feed the bulb for next year's blooms. Continue to water regularly, allowing the top inch of the soil to dry between waterings. You can also start fertilizing every 2 to 3 weeks with a balanced houseplant fertilizer, something like 10-10-10 or 20-20-20. This steady feeding helps rebuild the bulb's stored energy. If you like, you can move your Amaryllis outdoors for summer once the risk of frost has passed. Place it in bright, indirect light. Morning sun and afternoon shade work best. Just remember to bring it back inside before nighttime temperatures drop to 10 Celsius. If you're ready to start or want to refresh your supplies, visit the Wildwood Outdoor Living online store. We carry high-quality Amaryllis bulbs. To get your Amaryllis to rebloom, you'll need to mimic its natural rest period. Around late August or early September, gradually reduce watering until the leaves yellow and die back. Once they do, cut them off and store the bulb in a cool, dark, and dry place, like a closet or basement, at around 10 degrees to 13 degrees Celsius. You don't need to water it during this time. Let it rest for 8 to 10 weeks. After that, repot it in fresh soil, water it, and bring it back into the light. Within a few weeks, you'll notice new growth. Some gardeners like to mark it on their calendars to stagger the start of dormancy. This way you can have your Amaryllis blooming at different times throughout the winter. Over time, your Amaryllis may produce small offset bulbs called pups. You can separate these once they're about 1/3 of the size of the parent bulb. Replant them in their own pots, keeping the top exposed just like before. It'll take a couple of years before they bloom, but they're the clones of the parent plant, so you'll eventually have matching flowers. If your Amaryllis produces leaves but no flowers, it likely didn't get enough light during the growing season or didn't rest long enough. Soft bulbs may indicate overwatering or poor drainage. And if your stalk grows too tall and floppy, it's probably reaching for the light. Move it to a brighter location or provide supplemental lighting. To keep your blooms looking their best, remove spent flowers before they form seed pods. This keeps all the plant's energy focused on strengthening the bulb instead of producing seeds. Amaryllis are truly the stars of the winter, bold, elegant, and surprisingly easy to grow once you understand their rhythm. With a little attention, they'll reward you with breathtaking blooms year after year, and the longer you have them, the better they'll get. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more seasonal gardening tips and inspiration.